Okay, now I'm gonna teach you how to get a glowing text in CapCut. First of all, please open the CapCut app, click on new project, and I want you to click on stock videos. Since we're gonna make a black background for this, click on the middle part and click on add. Now from here, just click on text, add text, type whatever you need or whatever you want, and just style it on however you want it. Let me just pull this up right here so you can see it properly. Now once you're done doing that, I want you to export it to your phone. How do we do that? Pay attention on the top right, there is a arrow pointing up icon. Click on that. Now do not click on done. I want you to go back to your project, click on the left icon on the top left. From here, I want you to click on the plus sign. Let's add that project that we exported earlier and drag this one, the one on the bottom. I want you to drag it all the way to the first one. From here, click on the bottom part and then click on style. Let's choose a white color for this one so you can see it properly, and click on animation. Look for loop, and we're gonna look for random flash. It should be right here. There you go, random flash. Click on OK. Now from here, as you can see, it's already having that glowing effect. How can we further this up? I want you to click on this one right here. Go back on the whole project, click on effects, click on video effects. We're gonna need to look for that dark or light, as on my end it's light section. We're gonna look for angel, the angel effect. Perfect. On some cases it says dark or shadow, but on my own it's light. And there you go, it's having that glowing text effect that you want. So that's how you have a glowing text in CapCut using your phone. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.